I just got hit by a car. I don't know what really happened, but here go my bike. I just got hit by that bitch. This what happened. I was riding my bike down the street, right here. The car was right there, and that bitch smacked my shit, and I flew to the middle. I flew to the middle of the street. Yo, bro, this shit crazy. I flew to the middle of the street. I swear to God, bro. He over there about to call the police. He about to call the police or whatever. I don't know what he doing. But that nigga smacked my shit. He was coming out. All gas, no brakes. Boom! I'm telling you, bro. You see that white line over there, bro? That's how far I flew, bro. I'm telling you, because I was going super fast through this bitch. This electric bike. You see that motor on that hoe? Man, I didn't smack that motherfucking car. It's a truck too. That motherfucker, that new motherfucking truck. Oh, there you go, right there.
Everybody. Are you the driver, the witness? Driver. Is this your vehicle? No. Okay. This
I
is
got
you,
my
ma'am?
car right there because I got a 2-year-old in there.
Oh no, that's no worries. You got called by your son?
Yeah.
Which car is yours? Jeep?
Yeah. This is crazy.
Make sure they don't think it's something like very, very serious. And then I can take you to get x-rayed, or do you want to go in the ambulance?
I don't know.
Do you feel like you need to go in the ambulance?
I mean, not right now, though.
What about your bike though? Because
Yo, I'm currently at the hospital. I'm just over it already, bro. I feel so much pain. I'm in so much pain right now, bro. I'm just over it already, bro. I just want to go to work. That's all. This is crazy. Where are we going to?
Hello, here to see a doctor?
Yes,
Okay, how old are you?
17.
17. You're gonna come back with them? Okay, you're gonna park the car? Perfect. Everything out of your pockets? No. You can't limit it.
It's gonna hurt. They want me to lay down. Why they want me to take off my clothes? Some x-rays? I can't do x-rays with my clothes on. They nasty. All babies are born out here? Bro, my tongue. I bit it. I don't know. Is they gonna be able to take this blood out my finger? I slammed my finger in the door. They're not gonna be able to do that? How you know? So, if I'm here... Oh, my bad. I'm saying if I'm here, then why not?
Completely undressed.
You want me to undress?
Yeah, so they can come and look at everything.
What do you mean by that?
Bro, what I'm not understanding is I told my job that I can't come to work on Monday because I got hit by a truck. They say I need a doctor's note. What don't you understand? What, bro? I got hit by a truck. What do you mean? I work Monday and I'm going to the doctor Monday, but I was at the hospital today. Look at my whole, come on, I was at the hospital today and they say, oh no, you're not working Monday at all. But then I'm going to see another doctor on Monday, but I work Monday morning. I can't go because, what, bro? I could barely walk. Why would I go to work? What the fuck? It's Friday. No, it's Saturday. Think I'm gonna be able to work Monday? Are you goofy?